You're listening to Fever 94.3. I'm RJ Meenal and this is the Fever Breakfast Show. हम आ चुके हैं आज at the VTP Altamira Kharadi sample flat. We're here, we're at the site and we're meeting a lot of people जिन्होंने बहुत सारे घर in fact VTP के साथ बुक किए हुए हैं अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स में. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं of course इनका दूसरी दिवाली VTP वाली ऑफर भी चल रहा है. So yeah, I mean we're super excited to be here. Currently with me is Mr. and Mrs. Gada. Hi, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Nikam, your name's
Yeah.
Nikam, right? Nikam, tell me, where have you booked your place?
So I had, had a lot of search, and I think it was the Pegasus, which was the first project that was getting launched, right? And it was a great excitement because it was a massive project. Earlier there were some few other projects like Minmagarpatta or probably Aminora,
Right.
It's a similar kind of a space, which is a massive space where
Yeah.
it has the entire city connectivity,
Yeah.
right? And it's pretty open, and you have a lot of space inside, right? And
Right.
a lot of projects, very open projects are there.
Bilkul.
And it's a good residential place indeed. So that allowed me, right, to look forward for that.
Superb.
But initially, it was like, I wanted that something which is pretty much nearby to Kharadi because we stayed in Kharadi.
Okay.
Yeah. So I stayed nearby to Yon, right?
Okay.
So I have a home there, but we were still looking forward, right? That to look forward for a good one, right? And it was a great opportunity.
Was
for
this
me.
an upgrade from your current place that you have?
Yeah, indeed, it was an upgrade.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, that's the reason. While having all the search, that everything got exhausted, and
Right.
ultimately we landed up to VTP Altair.
Yeah.
And it's really awesome project indeed.
Right.
Right. And it was I think the next high rise, which was close by to another high rise, Panchshil.
Right.
Right. And it was as good as like 35 stories building.
Yeah.
Right, 5 plus 30 more, right?
Right.
So that was almost 35-story building.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
So Hima, you tell me, Altair के बारे में आपको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या अच्छा लगा?
Most of the thing we have searched many projects inside the
I'm sure.
Pegasus.
Bilkul.
There's a township.
बिल्कुल.
But the best thing for the Altair is the location.
Right.
It is next to the Panchshil and it is called the Millionaire Lane.
Right.
So the connectivity, this is nice. We are also looking for the township, but
Right.
this is the entry of the township
Right.
from the Kharadi.
Absolutely on the
So
main road, yeah.
It is more like the Kharadi, extended Kharadi. So
Absolutely.
the first thing is the location we
Yeah.
liked and the view from the 35-story building.
Ooh.
So it was awesome.
Right.
The river and the Yo villas and everything.
Bilkul.
It looks like luxurious for
बिल्कुल,
us.
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
So the main point is the location.
जी.
And the second thing, we have searched many builders and we have seen many apartment
yeah.
flats, yeah. But the thing is that the space the VTP has occupied
Yeah.
is very different.
Size of the flats,
The
you
size
mean?
of
Yeah?
the flat,
Oh.
and they used each and every inches of the flat.
Oh, superb.
So this is the main thing.
Bilkul.
Because I am a homemaker, so first of all, for me, this is the thing that
खुला
how
खुला
my-
होना चाहिए
yes,
सब
yes.
कुछ, है ना? Yeah.
Whatever I am paying, I should use it.
बिल्कुल, सही
So
कहा
this
आपने.
is the second
Yes,
thing
yes.
we like it most, and we are getting the two benefit. One is of the township itself,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And it is thus just attaching to
entrance.
the Kharadi.
Yeah.
So, and it is the entry. So we
Yeah.
are not going very inside
Yeah.
and still into the township only.
Right, right, right.
And
So,
actually, we have booked two apartment here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. One
Okay.
is inside the township,
Okay.
and the first one
Within
is the
inside.
Altair.
Oh, wow, that's
So,
amazing. तो
and we
मतलब
are also-
VTP के साथ आपका काफी बड़ा गहरा रिश्ता है.
Yes, and
जरा
we are
बताइए
also
स्टाफ
thinking
का
for the-
एक्सपीरियंस आपका कैसा रहा VTP?
Staff experience, it's actually my son has not come today.
Okay.
He is not well, but every time when we come here, he says that it feels like a home.
Oh, how sweet.
It's actually.
Oh.
So the treatment and the staff and the treatment with the client is so homely.
Right.
So connected. This
Yeah,
staff
we
is
are
really
so
very
connected.
Yeah, that's
Whatever
amazing.
the thing we have some issues or whatever the queries we have.
Yeah.
Within a 5 minute we get the solution for that
Oh,
over the phone
superb.
only.
Amazing.
Yeah,
So good.
We are so happy with the
Right.
VTP especially,
Yeah.
and we are looking forward for more projects with
Yes,
them.
of course,
Yes.
absolutely. Congratulations on your
Thank you
two
so much.
apartments with
Thanks
VTP.
a lot for
And
that.
thank you so much. And yeah, have a great life ahead with VTP.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. सुनते रहिए Fever 94.3 में आरजे मीनल. This is the Fever Breakfast Show. I'm at VTP Altamira in Kharadi.